Hi, so we're looking at a HyperX alloy core RGB keyboard and a Pulsefire core HyperX mouse. So I had an old keyboard and I wanted to try out a new keyboard that had LED and had silent keys instead of mechanical or just loud keys when I press, because I like to use the keyboard at night and I don't want it to be too loud and people trying to sleep. So I picked this one because it didn't have that much sound when you press the keys down. And I like the mouse because when I use the scroll wheel, it doesn't make a lot of sound, which I was using a Dell mouse that had a scroll wheel that you can hear it like really loud. So I decided to go and get a new keyboard and a new mouse and test it out. So this is the keyboard that I've been using lately. It's called an AST keyboard. It came with a refurbished HP computer that I was using, and I used to have a wireless keyboard, but because where my desktop is located, it kind of like doesn't like track well. It like skips around a bit. And even with the mouse that I had, it would skip around. So that's why I started going back to the wired mouse. So as you can, if you look at it right now, this keyboard is not, like expensive or anything like that. But, like when you push the keys in, it's like so hard. Like doing this right here, it's like spongy feeling and it's real hard. And after a while, if you type and you use your pinky to hit that enter, you'll start to feel it a lot. So I decided to go to a new keyboard and get a more silent keyboard at that, and something that doesn't feel like it's kind of hard to push the keys down. So that's just a quick, overview of this keyboard, which is AST. I really don't know which company that is, but this came with the HP refurbished computer that I got. And also, I'll go ahead and show you the mouse that I was talking about. So this is the Dell mouse that I was talking about. And when you scroll with it, you can hear it. So that's pretty loud, and it gets kind of annoying. So I wanted to get something that was a little more silent, which is the HyperX mouse that I got. So I'll end up comparing those in another shot. So I just opened the boxes, both for the HyperX keyboard and the HyperX mouse, and this is going to be a quick look of how it looks before I take the packaging off. I just removed this from here. It's a nice cable here. I like the way that they made this. So that's that. Okay, so we're looking at the HyperX keyboard and the HyperX mouse. And as you can see, you have the LEDs flashing different colors. It's really nice, like looks so beautiful out the box, and even it looks even better since when I seen it at the actual store I went to. So like if you want the lights or the LEDs to stop, changing colors and just want it turned off, you can press this button right here and then it'll turn off. So you don't have to worry about it constantly like flashing, and you probably don't want any lights flashing. And if you want to turn it back on, you just press it again and then it's back on. And compared to the other keyboard, this one is a lot silent. Just like basic sounds you hear from keys being pressed, but it's not as loud. And they're definitely smoother, and it's not like you have to force them in, as I showed you in that last clip of how spongy those other keys were. And scroll wheel on here is a lot silent compared to that other one. So that's the HyperX keyboard and the HyperX mouse, which is the alloy core RGB and the Pulsefire mouse. All right, thanks for watching.